Hello everyone. Today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. So let's see today how to protect the Gmail address we created. Let's imagine that someone else is trying to log into your Gmail. Even if you know the password. If two-step verification is turned on, there is nothing to worry about. What if two-step verification has been done? If you log into the device first, Google will send us a code to your phone. You will be logged in after typing that code, so protect your Gmail account. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about how to do two-step verification, so let's move on to the video. If you want to know more about this video, click the subscribe button below. Click the bell icon next to it. Then as soon as you post a new video, you can bring the video to you. I am using Google Chrome browser. Let's see how to turn on two-step verification. Now on the right side of the Google Chrome browser, click on our Gmail account and in the small window that appears, it says Manage your Google account. Click 1. After that, it is on the left side of the window. There are 6 tabs called Home, Personal Info, Data and Privacy, Security, People and Sharing, Payments and Subscriptions. We are now in the Home tab. To turn on two-step verification, click on the tab called Security. It says how you sign into Google at the bottom of it. Above it is a tab called Two-Step Verification, which is current. Now let's see how to turn on two-step verification. If you want to turn on two-step verification from a PC or mobile phone, bring the phone with the mobile number you want to put in two-step verification. Click on two-step verification in Gmail. After that, when you go to the bottom of the window that appears, click on the Get Started button one by one. After that, in the window that appears, enter the password you gave when you created the Gmail account and click the Next button. After that, in the window that appears, select your country on the left side of the phone number. After selecting the country, type your mobile number. And then under that is how do you want to get code. It means that you want the code as a text message or a phone call. I give it as a text message and click the Next button. After that, in the window that appears Enter the code, a text message will be sent from Google to the phone with the mobile number you provided. Type the code in the place that says Enter the code. Click the Next button. After that, click on the window that says Turn on. Now two-step verification is on. Now let's see how to add your other Gmail account to this Gmail account. Below the two-step verification, there is a tab called Recovery Email. After clicking on it, in the next window, there is a tab called Add an Email Address. After that, in the Recovery Email window, type another Gmail you have. Type and click the Next button. After that, a message will be sent from Google to the Gmail you provided. Copy the code in it and paste it to the place where it says verification code and give verification. Now go to the first page and refresh. Now there is the Gmail address you provided where it says Recovery Email. I think you have learned how to verify Gmail address. If you want to know more about this video, click the subscribe button below. Click the bell icon next to it. Then as soon as a new video is posted, you can bring the video to you. Until we meet again with a new video like this, have a good day everyone. DT Creative LK.